Sugar cane, chili flake, peanuts, shrimp paste, salt. This is gonna be for the salt. This is the one that we eat with the wrap. But we need the roasted fresh coconut that we're gonna do next, right? And this is the leaf. All right. So ginger, dry shrimp, peanut, lime, bird eye chili. It looks interesting.
Is it good?
Yeah, the coconut pretty thin. Right, machine. Teamwork. Roasting them. But this is how you. You said you have in Holland.
The dry ones or?
No, fresh, but they're frozen.
Frozen, okay.
You remember when you put them?
I don't remember.
I think they had it, but I don't know how they made it.
We're preparing the fresh coconut. We're toasting them because we're gonna add in Miang Kham. So we put in our snack, welcome snack, we call Miang Kham. So today we have a special class, private class. So we try to make special thing for the Valentine Day. Keep moving.
Put it on the table?
I put on the papers. Okay, keep moving.
Do they have to do the second half of the coconut
Yes,
as well?
please, yeah. I'm gonna get another bowl. Okay, now we're gonna make the sauce. I give you the recipe.
Of what? Of the...
All that was I'm doing now for your. So now this is a sauce, but this is one for later for the side. Shrimp paste, peanut, salt, chili, sugar cane, right?
This is the shrimp paste.
Yeah, shrimp paste. You can do or do without. Sometimes some restaurants they do like lazy version. Nuts. Thank you. I'm taking it out. Peanut. And ginger. A little bit ginger in the sauce. We're gonna have a fresh ginger, but I like the aroma, the taste of the ginger. Yeah. Just gonna take
So that's the sugar cane.
sugar cane. Caramelize the sugar cane. You can Google online, YouTube. You know, there's a lot of recipe you can find how to make the sauce. Whatever they have, the different. The purpose is for the sauce has to be salty and sweet.
Should I stir it for you? Or is it okay? Shall I stir it for you?
Yeah,
Or is it okay?
you can stir. Yeah. Salt. When you have in Holland, do they have a thick sauce or light sauce for you?
Yes, a thick sauce.
Very thick. And what color is the sauce?
Brown, dark brown.
Dark brown, yeah.
Yes.
Shrimp paste.
And how do you see how much of the
The consistency?
That goes in there.
What taste?
Sugar cane. Now, how much? How much do you need to put in there? How do you see that? When it gets thicker?
Yeah, get bigger. You can see how much of water you have. Big portion and small portion you can taste.
Okay.
Like, I'm doing this all the time, so I think okay, but I don't know. But I want you to learn from tasting. Shrimp paste, chili flake, peanut. You can add dry shrimp in there too, but I'm not gonna add dry shrimp because we have dry shrimp there. We have shrimp paste in there already. This is shrimp paste. Otherwise we have a big lump of shrimp paste in there. แตงเอาช้อนแกงมาให้หน่อย5 6 7 อันเรามาชิมซอสช้อนแกงช้อนแกงWhen it's cooler, it's gonna get thicker.
Yes.
I'm gonna add more sugar because I taste it. It's good, but I want to make it a little bit sweeter. So we add more sugar.
Are you done?
It's salt and shrimp paste.
Yes.
And the water to caramelize, right? The texture is from peanut.
Okay.
Ginger, aroma. Sometimes they do lazy version. You have someone that lazy to shrimp paste in your family. Do you want to make it?
No, I don't.
Just don't. If you have someone, you just don't add them in there.
Okay, this salt.
You see the bubbles? They're quite big, right?
Yeah.
Actually, to see the foam, it goes slowly and thick. That's a good consistency because when it's cooled down, it gets thicker. Man,
That's why I joke with you.
okay, thank you. I said, thank you have to be around, stay away. There's a video so you'll forget if you want to know how to do it. And this is our sauce that we made. You see?
Nice.
It's getting thicker. Sometimes you see it not chunky because they do only salt and sugar cane, you know?
Okay.
But I like to add more stuff in it. It's gonna be hot a little bit. Okay. When you open them like a cone, you see? See, like a small cup of corn. So what you put in everything. Yeah? Shallot 1 piece, ginger 1 piece, dry shrimp if you like. I like dry shrimp. I like a lot of peanut, maybe 2-3 pieces of peanut, a piece of lime or 2, how you like it. Chili 1 or 2, we take it easy 1. Coconut a little bit. I wash my hand already, my hand is clean. Okay? And the sauce. See, a little bit of sauce. And then eat it. Cheers. Cheers.